Students, already we have read first part of the lesson last spring. In that part, there was a boy Sahib. He was a rag picker. And what was the title of the lesson? Sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. Now let us come to the next part of the lesson last spring, and title of the lesson is I want to drive a car. And in this part, narrator Anish Jung meets another boy whose name is Mukesh. And Mukesh was a worker in one of the furnace in Firozabad where bangles were made. So Mukesh insists on being his own master. Mukesh insists means to say with stress. So he said with stress on being his own master, that he would become his own master and he would not work under anyone. I will be a motor mechanic, he announced. He said that he wanted to become a motor mechanic. Do you know anything about cars? I asked. Narrator Anish Jung asked to whom? To Mukesh whether he was familiar in driving a cars. Do you know anything about cars? I asked. Narrator asked whether he was familiar about anything of the cars. I will learn to drive a car, he answers. He gave answer that he would learn driving cars. Looking straight into my eyes, there was eye contact. He had the eye contact with the narrator Anish Jung. As you have noticed in earlier part, there was a boy whose name was Sahib. He was a rag picker and he had no eye contact with the narrator when he was talking. But here in this part, when Mukesh is talking to the narrator, he had the eye contact. His dream looms like a mirage amidst the dust of streets. His dreams looms. As he had the dream to become motor mechanic. So his dream was spreading. How? Like a mirage. Mirage is a false appearance you can see in front of you, like flickering of water or like flickering in glass. So his dreams were like mirage amidst the dust of streets, in the mid of the dust of streets. He lived in the street that was full of dust in Firozabad, that filled his town Firozabad. What filled his town? His town was filled with dust. Firozabad was filled with dust, and in that street of Firozabad, he wanted to become a motor mechanic. Famous for its bangles, and Firozabad is known for bangles. Bangles are made in the city Firozabad. It is the center of India's glass blowing industry, where families have spent generations working around furnace, building glass, making bangles for all the women in the land, it seems. It is the center of India's glass blowing industry. Here, there are in that city Firozabad, there are industries where there is the melting of glass for making bangles, where families have spent generations and families have passed their lives, where working around furnaces, where there is the melting of glass. Furnaces means hearths. At the hearths, where there was melting of glass, many families have passed their lives building glass. They engage themselves in joining the two sides of bangles, making bangles for all the women in the land, it seems. It seems that in Firozabad, bangles were made for all over the world. Now come on, the next paragraph. Mukesh's family is among them. Family of Mukesh was also like them, as other families were involved in making bangles. So family of Mukesh was also engaged in making bangles. None of them know that it is illegal for children like him to work in the glass furnaces with high temperatures in dingy cells without air and light. So none of them know, none of the means none of the family members know about it, that it is illegal for children. It was not full of law to work children like Mukesh, where to the furnace where there was very high temperature. In dinghy cells, and those furnaces were set up in the dark and dirty places. Dingy means dark and dirty places. Cells means cabins. Without air and light, and there was no air and there was no light in those dingy cells. That the law, if enforced, could get him and all those 20,000 children out of the hot furnaces where they slog their daylight hours. If enforced, could get him and all those 20,000 children. How many children worked there? In those furnaces of Firozabad. There were 20,000 children were engaged in making bangles. Out of the hot furnaces, if law was enforced, then they could be taken away. 20,000 children can be taken away from the city of Firozabad who were involved in making bangles, often losing their brightness of their eyes, and because they worked in those furnaces of high temperature, so they were losing the light of their eyes. Mukesh's eyes beamed as he volunteers to take me home. There was shining in the eyes of Mukesh when he proposed himself to take the narrator to his own house. So there was shining in his eyes, which he proudly says is being rebuilt. And with pride he said that his house was built again, it was repaired. We walked down stinking lanes choked with garbage. Narrator and Mukesh, both of them, walked together. Where? Walked down stinking lanes where there was foul smell. Stink means foul smell. Choked with garbage, and those streets were blocked because of garbage. Garbage was thrown on those streets. Past homes that remain hovels with crumbling walls. Past homes that remain hovels with crumbling walls. So in those streets there were the homes that remain hovels. Those were the sheds with crumbling walls, and it seemed that those walls were so big that they would fall. Wobbly doors, and doors were not tightly fixed, they also were loose and they were unstable. That remain hovels with crumbling walls, wobbly doors, no windows, and there were not windows in those sheds. In those sheds, there were no windows. Crowded with families of humans and animals coexisting in a primal state. So crowded with families of humans and animals, both are in those sheds. Not only families, animals also lived with them, coexisting in the primal state. They were living together, animals and men lived together as in ancient times. Primal means earlier times, ancient times. He stops at the door of one such house. Now Mukesh stopped in front of one of the house. Bang se wobbly iron door. He hit with banging sound to one of the door that was made of iron, and it was also unsteady. It was not firm. What was not firm? The door was not firmly fixed. So he knocked at that door of iron. Animals coexisting, he stops at the door of one such house, bangs a wobbly iron door with a foot. He used foot in banging the door. and pushes it open and pushed that door to open it. We enter a half-built shack. Now both of them, Mukesh and the narrator, entered in one of the hut. They admitted in one of the hut. Shack means hut, and that was not completely made, half-built. In one part of it, thatched with dead grass. One part of that hut was covered with dry grass. Is firewood stove over which sits a large vessels of sizzling spinach leaves. In a firewood stove. So at there was one of the stove of firewood for cooking, over which sits a large vessel. On that there was a big pot of sizzling spinach leaves, and in that pot there were the spinach. Spinach is one of the leafy vegetable. So what was being fried? Sizzling means frying. What was frying? Spinach leafy vegetable was being fried in one of the big pot. On the ground in a large aluminium platters, there was one of the big plate made of aluminium. Platter means plate, big plate, or more chopped vegetables, and in that big plate there were more leaves of vegetables that were cut. A frail young woman is cooking the evening meal for whole family, and one of the big young women was engaged in cooking the meal of the evening for the members of the family, for all members of the family. She was engaged in cooking that spinach. For whom? For all members of the family. Who was engaged? One of the women who was big was engaged in cooking spinach for all members of the family. I think these lines are clear to you. Thank you.